are you?
I'm fine.
Good. What's your name?
My name is Hamrin.
And how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Excellent. Where do you come from?
I'm from Hadong,
From Hanoi. Where is Hanoi? What country is that?
in Vietnam.
In Vietnam? Wow. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
It's yellow. Excellent. What color is your t-shirt?
My color
My t-shirt?
t-shirt is white.
It's white. Can you spell white?
W-R-I-T-E.
Okay. What animals are white?
It's
What about a rabbit? Is a rabbit white?
hands.
Hens. Excellent. Good choice. Okay. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
A cat. Do you like dogs?
Yes.
Okay. What's better, a cat or a dog?
Cat.
What's cleaner? Is a cat cleaner or a dog cleaner?
Cat and kid.
Okay. And what do you think is friendlier? Which one is friendly? Is a dog friendly?
Yes.
What about a cat?
Cat is
Friendly sometimes?
no.
No, not friendly.
Yes.
I agree. Okay. What time do you wake up on Saturday?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Yes.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I do my own homework and play computer games.
Play computer games. Do you like Sundays?
No.
No, why not?
Because
Is it boring?
yes.
Good. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is volleyball.
Volleyball? Wow. Do you like football?
No.
Great. Can you ask me a question? Any question?
What time do you go to the cinemas?
What time do I?
What time do you go to the cinemas?
To the cinema? Usually about 7 o'clock. Very good. Excellent. So here we see a picture of a house. How many rooms are there in the house?
7 rooms in the house.
Excellent. Can you point to the bathroom? Very good. Can you point to the bedroom? Can you point to the kitchen? Can you point to the living room? Can you point to the dining room? How many red chairs are there in the dining room?
There are chairs in the room.
How many?
4.
4 chairs. Excellent. What room is the television in?
Living room.
It's in the living room. Very good. And what do people do in the kitchen? Cooking. Do you like cooking?
Yes.
Really? What do you like to cook?
Eggs.
Eggs? You like eating eggs? Everybody likes eggs. Do you like rice?
Yes.
Do you like noodles?
No.
Do you like monkeys?
No.
Okay. Here we see a picture of aliens, right? This is Gina. How many eyes is Gina?
With 4 eyes.
Excellent. What color is her hair?
His head is red.
Good. And what color is her skin?
It's green.
Green. Here we see a picture of Albert. Okay. How many eyes has Albert?
1 eye.
1 eye.
Yes.
Would you like to have 1 eye?
No.
Do you like having 2 eyes?
Yes.
That's great. Okay, here we see Edgar. How many eyes has Edgar?
It's 4 eyes.
4 eyes. Very good. What color is that, Edgar?
It's blue.
Very good. Do you like Edgar? Do you like Edgar?
No.
No? Which one do you like? You like Gina? Okay, let's talk about Is it big or small?
It's big.
How many arms do you think he has? How many arms? 2 arms, 4 arms, 6 arms?
No eye.
You think he has no arms? Okay, good. Alright, let's continue. So some grammar. There is and there are. So there is a cup in my hand. Can you give me a sentence with there are?
There are 2 doors in the room.
There are 2 doors in the room. Excellent. And have and has. I have a blue and black shirt. Can you give me a sentence with has?
I have.
No. Has he or she?
Has.
No. He or she?
She has small nose.
Small nose. Very good. Okay. Next one. In picture A, the door is open. What about in picture B?
Picture B is door closed.
Very good. In picture A, there are 2 trees. What about in picture B?
Picture B is 3 trees.
3 trees. Excellent. And the last one. Here we see John. What's John doing?
He playing football.
He's playing football. What about Jane? Here we see Jane. What's Jane doing?
He's skiing and eating ice creams.
Very good. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
What's your favorite ice cream?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yes.
Very good. Here we see Fred. What's Fred doing?
He riding a bicycle.
Very good. He's riding a bicycle. Here we see Tom. What is Tom? Is Tom a dog?
A monster.
He's a monster. What color is Tom?
It's pink.
Is he scary or does he look friendly?
He's scared.
Scary. And the last one, here we see Jane. What's Jane doing?
He's skiing.
Very good. Okay, so that's the end of the test. Thank you.